Hey guys, today we are gonna unbox the brand new iPad 2020 12.9 inches. There's a custom engraving in this iPad, so let's go ahead. Let's see what we find in this. And this is my first video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you have any constructive criticism that I can improve upon, and let's begin the video. Right. Oh, looks like I don't have to use this after all. I love this thing Apple does. Never once has this ever failed me. It works perfectly all the time. So, maybe I'll knit this after all. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Not supposed that if that is supposed to be like this or not. Wow. That was a weird noise. Don't lie. Oh! Do you guys see that? Look. The iPad comes out on itself. So amazing. Love the small details Apple put in their product. Oh, wow. Look at this. Brand new 2020 iPad 12.9 inches. Custom engraved and 256 GB. It's not cellular. This one is not cellular. I don't think I need cellular. If I'm using an iPad most probably I'm using it somewhere inside the university, somewhere inside my house. I don't think I need a cellular internet anywhere outside. So let's go ahead. Just super satisfying. Apple takes its money like that. Satisfying. It is like an occasion when you're opening an Apple product. Oh. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The first ever look you're gonna have on your iPad. Just you open the box, boom, there you go. It's your iPad. Let's keep this on the side. Oh my god, this feels really good in hand. But let's just keep this aside for now. Let's see the goodies it comes with. Something the new iPhone does not come with. Alright, I like this one thing they did in the new iPad, that they went ahead and gave us this amazing Thunderbolt C rather than the one iPhone is using. I really wish iPhone 12 would have the same thing, but it is what it is for now. Let's go ahead. There you go. Apple logo right in front of you for your pleasure. Hello to you too. Alright, I guess at this point my iPad is gonna take some time and activate itself. I'm gonna continue this video right after I get this laminated and have a few things in it, because I don't want it to just be exposed like this. It is an amazing product, but it is very fragile, very sensitive. So you're gonna see the whole thing done in about 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, boom. As I said, I'm back. So I have not done much in the iPad as of now. The only thing I've done is basically put a lamination right here. I took it to the local bookstore over here. They did an okay job. I can still see a few bubbles here and there, and maybe, I don't know, after a while it'll just clear off by itself. While unboxing, I said one thing, that this iPad feels amazing in your hand. I mean, it is designed like one of the old iPhones. If I remember iPhone 5s, well, every Apple new product is kind of designed that way. But it was honestly my best ever feeling of an iPhone. I was not a fan of how they changed the iPhone from that design to being like that curved iPhone and everything we were getting lately. I'm glad they are back to the brick shape they had earlier. It is brilliant. I love it that way. Let's talk about the iPad, shall we? So as I've already mentioned, this iPad right here particularly is an iPad Pro 2020, 12.9 inches, 256 GB, not cellular. Overall, whatever experience I've had in like one day is pretty good. I mean, I've been always an iPad user. I have had this for years now. But this one right here, first of all, the screen size. I know this is not the first time iPad has been this big of a screen size, but this is the first time I have owned an iPad that has this big of a screen. Maybe it's just a new iPad talking, but I am loving it. Because the screen is so big, it is much more accessible to do multitasking. Like on one hand, I can go ahead and have a look at the new iPads which are out there, and on the other hand, I can read what's about the iPad at the same time. It's multitasking in smaller screen, but it is much more better over here and feels much more convenient. Also, if you can see right here, we have a Thunderbolt C charger rather than the regular iPad charger, which is really good, really fast. Do I need to even say that? Besides, right now when I'm going around carrying my backpack, I don't have to have like 10 different chargers with me, which was the case just a few years ago. Right now, my iPad, my Mac, my Nintendo Switch, basically everything, same exact charger. I mean, I still have an iPhone, so basically I have to carry one more charger, but that's about it. Apple, please change the iPhone charger. Now let's come to the question that who should buy an iPad. This particular iPad right here, it cost about $1,300. So I mean, it's not something which everyone can afford around the world. Definitely it's not one of the things which everyone would be keen upon to buy. But who is this device basically designed for? Now when it comes to iPhone or Mac or iMac and all those Apple products, I have like an overall idea who Apple thought while designing that product. But when it comes to iPad, I'm just clueless. I have no idea what the particular audience Apple thought while they were developing this product, because I have seen kids using this product. I have seen older generation using this product. College kids use this product all the time. Business people use this product all the time. I mean, I have no idea who that particular group of people was that Steve Jobs thought, you know what, this product is gonna attract these kind of people. I don't think there was anything like that. This device is basically for anyone out there. So who should buy this? I don't know. If you can afford it, if you need it, you really should. It's a great device. It's not as small as an iPhone. It's not as huge of a deal as a Mac. It's something in the middle which does the work, and you can get kind of the best of the both world right here. So let's come to the rating. I love to rate the unbox experience of every product. This was one of the products which was custom. This is something which is really close to my heart. I'd love to share it with everyone out there. If you can see back there, it says with you forever, Mac the first. To the people who do not know, Mac was my brother. Just a few months ago he went to heaven, but having this set right here means a lot to me. The best thing about this message is that it goes both ways. You forever, Mac the first, which could mean to me when I need Mac to be with me that hey, I'm there with you all the time. And if he ever needs me, I'm saying it to him, with you forever, Mac the first. Just a small detail, just a small thing, and I love that that Apple took care of it, and it was free of charge. I don't think they charged me anything for this, so that's the only thing which was custom right there, just two sentences, but it means the world to me at one point. About the rating, I love to rate my unboxing experiences, this one being one of the very awaited gadget for me. It already has kind of my bias, but overall experience of unboxing an Apple product is a pleasure itself. Love it or hate it, Apple does this one thing brilliantly, and that is giving you the best experience while you're unboxing it. It is satisfying, it is a whole occasion, as I've already said, and overall a nice experience. I'm gonna go ahead and give this unboxing experience a 9 out of 10. Only reason I'm skipping that one out is to do with the delivery date. I believe it took me more than 10 days to get it to my home. That's the only complaint I have. The overall experience was really good, and I'm gonna take my time, work on this thing intensively for like a week or so, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a review of this iPad and how I overall feel about it. As I said, please like, share, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. For a small YouTuber like myself, from 1 to 2 is a milestone. Each and every one of you who subscribe means a whole another level for me as of this point. I would really like to work hard and make this channel worth it. Comment if you have any idea of what I can improve, what I can work upon, and that's all about it. Thank you guys. You guys have a great day. See you later.